Hi kids! Today I want to draw some flowers for my mommy. Just like we did for the heart, I'll make this a card. I can give it to her for Valentine's Day or Mother's Day. In fact, I can give it to her any day. My mom will love it. I'm going to draw big daisies. I love daisies. Each daisy is actually 2 flowers in one. Yep, that's right. Each daisy is composed of 2 flowers. The outside petals make 1 flower, and the central disc is another flower. And since the 2 flowers go together so well, daisies have become a symbol of true love. This makes them the perfect flower for Mommy. I'm drawing on one side only because I'm going to fold the paper in 2 to make a card. Okay, so I like to start with green and draw the branches that go up, and then the leaves. Now, let's make the petals with the white crayon. And then I add a little yellow dot in the center and my paw of approval. Now, let's fold the paper in 2 so that the drawing is at the front. Because it's for Mommy, I'm going to write to Mommy on the inside. Perfect. Nice. My mom will love this. Here we go. A beautiful card with daisies on it. I can't wait to give it to my mommy. See you soon. Bye-bye.